Hi boys and girls, this is Miss C. I just wanted to go over something real quick in Peardeck. There are times when Miss C will put forms in our Peardeck. So here is today's Peardeck, Miss C. This is where Miss C was reading the book, Brave Irene. We skipped over these, but here, this one is our exit ticket. When you get to this slide 30, Missy has put your exit ticket embedded in there. That is a forms. This is a forms link, but it should appear right next to your within your Peardeck slide. And this is the quiz. It's called, the book we read was Brave Irene. This is your quiz number for your AR quiz. But here is the forms quiz. It's just like the AR quiz, but Missy wrote it out so that you guys could do a practice quiz and then take it on your own. But I wanted to show you something that's really cool that's on forms because I know some of us are still not at the reading level yet, and you guys need someone to read it for you. And on AR Zone, on AR quizzes, reads it for you. Our forms quizzes also, our forms page also reads it for us. If you click on this button right here, it's called Immersive Reader. It has a little book and the speaker. If you press it, it'll open up another page. And it'll have your questions and your answer choices. But if you press play, it'll read it for you. So, just check it out.
1. Because her mother felt sick, Irene had to take the dress to the 20 points. A. Owner of a dress shop. B. Duchess at the palace. C. Judge's wife in the city. D. Shoemaker by the river. End of question.
Okay, so once it gets there, you pause it, and you can just go back. And you can go, okay, so is it A, owner of the dress shop, B, Duchess at the palace, C, judge's wife, or D, shoemaker? And you would just make your answer choice. And it does this for all of the questions that you have on there. So you just click that button, Immersive Reader, and it'll open it up for you. Alright. What I've also seen is that it also translates it for you. So if you go on to, if you're in the Immersive Reader, so, si ustedes hablan español y no entienden en inglés, también te lo puede leer en español. So, aquí, si lo plano aquí a donde está el libro, aquí me dice, escoge el lenguaje. Y aquí le puedo poner, aquí están todos los lenguajes, pero aquí puedo buscar español o Spanish. So, aquí lo puedo poner español. And ahí me va a enseñar todo en el español. Y también ustedes lo pueden leer o mami o te lo puede leer aquí en la de esta.
1. Debido a que su madre se sentía enferma, Irene tuvo que llevar el vestido a la 20 puntos. A. Propietario de una tienda de ropa. B. Duquesa en el palacio. La esposa del juez C. en la ciudad. D. Zapatero junto al río. Fin de la pregunta.
Y ahí es donde pueden ver la pregunta y luego pueden venir acá a poner la contesta correcta. Si tienen preguntas, por favor, mándame un mensaje, pero if you have any questions, please send me a message. But this is just a little quick how-to video of how to use the form.